Here is how to fix the issue of Facebook account ownership and control options not appearing. So go ahead and open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application according to your choice and also log into your specific account. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu that appears, you need to go ahead and select Report a Problem, which is between About and Safety. And there is an easier way to report a problem as well. You can shake your phone at any time to tell about the technical problems on Facebook Live. Now there are two options to go back and continue. Tap on Continue. Tap on Do Not Include in Report. Now select Profile and describe the issue. Write that, dear Facebook support, the account ownership and control options is not showing in my personal details section. Please fix this as soon as possible. And you can also add in screenshots if you like, then tap on Send from the bottom. And Facebook should contact you and fix the problem within 24 to 48 hours. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And if you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.